Hello guys, I think it's time for drawing with color pencils. So I have this little palette here. For you who don't know, my name is Alexandra. I'm trying to become better in art and we're using different pencils today, these ones from different Stadler, Faber-Castell, from different marks, never mind. And we will start with sky. Giraffe is my spirit animal and I like giraffes very much. So I want to start with the sky and we will color this sky with this light blue color and something like this. Nothing special, just to show that this is the sky. I put in AI program giraffe in the dress. Some pictures came up. I want this because I think it's cute. She is very cute. She have really a patterned dress. Around this giraffe is cityscape. I color this. Now I will connect everything with this stamp. And this cityscape is somehow in fog. I will start from this. So we have some pretty straight lines because we want to show that this is skyscapes and that this was some buildings and like this, and here also. So we need straight lines, so this will not be so much visible. I want to show this 3D, and this is like windows. We will do that. Here is some roof and also some windows, and I think this is good enough. And here also in distance must be really small, so this is represent windows. Maybe we could color them a bit, and here also. And we also have her hair on this, hair on her horns, or how is that called? So I need pretty much a light red, and I will color some part of the buildings around. Maybe this one, and maybe also here, this part of the building. Now we will connect these colors and also this part. And we have one shade here. I want this also to be red. Some things like blue and some things are creamy color. We will connect everything with the stamp, and then these windows. So that is that. Now with the stamp. So from one side I'm using these cold colors like blue, green, and from other side I'm using warm colors like red, brown. Then we have our light brown, and this light brown will be everything else. Oh my God, now I remember this movie where Nicolas Cage, where the end is coming and his daughter find in the schoolyard, I think, some box where some child is 50 years ago put some things, and here is one paper when every single accident, big accident with a lot of dead people is occur, and big it is dated. So Nicolas Cage trying to find this girl, and she is now old lady, but he's trying to find her and to find out how is this know, how she's know all these things. Oh my god, it's a heavy movie. I always like some these strange movies, like sci-fi from I was a child. I'm always fascinated with these sci-fi movies. Here are some white parts. And now I like these colors, how muted they are. Really, really nice. And I want to add more of this black. Even I said that I want this to all to be like in the fog, but now with these colors, I don't know. Very strange picture, I know, but it is cool. I don't know, it is cool to me. We have our giraffe, and she have this creamy color also. So this is like her skin, I mean skin, I don't know. And then we will put some darker brown on this part, spots on her body, like we want to represent giraffe. So here is our giraffe, I think finished. Maybe we can a bit collect all these things. And now I will finish her eyes. Her eyes are like something like this. She look very sad, and she have big eyelashes. So that is that, and then her nostrils and her mouth, something like this. So she is very funny. And now she have this strange dress where I want her to, she have some, wait a minute, she has some golden chains, so we will do this, and also here, and then she have, so I will show this gold like this and here, and she have on her, we need a brown with gold, so we can show this is something like gold. So then she have this beautiful dress, very colorful. So she has some pattern on her dress, and this pattern go like this, triangles, and somehow like this, and that is her dress. And on her dress she have pink, blue, but this blue, pink, blue, yellow, and maybe we will put also this brown, but I'm not sure. So let's start with blue, and this pattern is also has no sense with colors, just here and there. Some colors are, some are not, but it is very unique and interesting, and I think that is all from blue. Now we will add light pink, a little more pink, then blue, but these colors can be touched. They need to be apart. Pink from pink and blue from blue. Now orange. My God, I'm telling you, this pattern is very strange. I don't want to color this, but I must because it is in the picture. Like that. Maybe also here. We will add this orange. These colors do not go one with a pink and orange. I don't know, but never mind. Okay, then this yellow, yeah, then this darker pink. I'm telling you, these colors, I don't know, should I wear this ever in the worst way it's possible? So she is like, I don't know, clown. And what else? This dark brown. But then she looks, she has some cut-offs. I don't know. Okay, so we did this, and now I want to show these patterns like this. Then I want to a little bit to maybe if I add her some lips like red, she will be funnier. And now with this white, and I think that is all. So our giraffe is super funny. I don't know, she is crazy. Never mind, I like it. So maybe only I need to do is put a bit of dark around her, and then I'll leave it everything alone. And that is our crazy giraffe. I love it. I don't know. What do you think? It's crazy, isn't she? It is something different, and I want to do something different. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.